Welcome sa ating panibagong long form vlogging at ngayon pupunta tayo sa PGDX 2026. Tara! Sobrang daming tao ngayon sa PGDX 2026. Silulubot ko kayo kung ano yung meron para sa mga hindi nakapunta. Sulit to guys, oh. Laptop ng militar. XP Pen. Sobrang daming artists dito na they can use everything. Ito, if mahilig ka mag-drawing, pwede mag-drawingan yan. Magiging touchscreen yung yung for you to be able to draw properly. Okay, dun. Napakaangas itong brand na Colorful. Dati, parang mura lang siya eh. I mean, sa Shopee, sa internet. Ngayon, meron na silang mga motherboards. May laptop na rin sila.
Ito, warm up pa lang ng ating interview sa
Hirap! Ayoko na! Abutin tayo siyam-siyam dito. Nag-iba rin yung kulay. Ayan na. Layo pa. Ayan na. May malayo. Nalayo siya sa call. Grabe naman yung one.
Click and ano lang, itong buttons lang.
WASD.
Since ang story po niya is,
So may story siya.
yes, everyday po may parang ganap.
Ayos.
And then, at day 8 po at dun po malalaman yung ending. So, based po yan sa performance niyo.
Nice yun. Thank you. Sobrang daming indie games dito. As in, pwede mong laruin lahat.
Ganda ng graphics.
Ano to? Post Paradise Invasion. Agawan base. Laro namin ng bata yun. Sobrang daming nagto-tournament na mga ganito. Tekken, meron silang pina-flash dito sa screen. There's a lot of PC na pwede mong gamitin or pwede mong laruin. For example, ito, wala lang siyang controller eh. Pero pwede yan. Pwede ka maglaro. This one, may controller siya. Ayan, pwede ka maglaro dyan. Sobrang daming ganyan. Sobrang daming PC na pwede mong laruin. May Counter-Strike pa dito guys. Nasa kaliwa yung baril. Panis. Bot lang kasi. Ito, more Tekken. Puro Tekken tournament ulit. Over here is the arcade, classic arcades. Ayan, mga classic arcade games. Flozo Fitness wherein yung mga cables. Sa halip na way yung ginagamit, yung plates, ito is pure rubber, parang elastics. There are also tabletop games, literal. No, parang pinisical mo yung mga larong nasa online, parang Red Alert before, ganyan, ayan, no? And they're trying to explain how to play these games. Sobrang dami yan. Star Wars, StarCraft, yan. NS2 or Nintendo Switch 2 is also here. Yan. So they have a lot of games and my favorite is this one, Mario Tennis Fever. There's a lot of sale then here ng mga peripherals ng PC Express. And then si ROG, HyperX, SteelSeries. SteelSeries is also here and you can try yung mga peripherals. Tignan mo naman yung discount yan guys. From 3.2 naging 2.4. From 3.1 naging 2.3. Yung mas WHX, yan, they sell yung mga tables na na-adjust yung height and yung mas standard na table. This one is I think this one is very cheap. From 5K, naging 3.5 na lang and may free na hotspot. They also have this RGB, yan. Pero hindi yan na-adjust ha. Yan dito, army. Maraming games yan. Parang com shop. you can play whatever game you want. Paunahan na lang. Monster is also here, the Monster Energy drink, and they have a lot of things going on. Namimigay sila ng libre as long as you follow them on social media platforms. Yes. TT Racing and Bezel is also here. Ito, isa sa pinakamagandang experience. You'll be able to play Forza Horizon 6 in an ultra-wide monitor. No? Para ka talagang nasa cockpit. Nandito rin yung mga chairs ni TT Racing, and all you have to do is take a picture dyan and upload it to your social media platforms for you to be able to play yung racing game nila. I think a tournament is also ongoing dito kay TT Racing. You can try different devices dito kay Lenovo. Ayan. You can play, ano to, Elden Ring, di ko alam. Basta you can try yan. Yung mga devices nila. Baka na ito sobrang laki. Asrock is also here. Ayan. You'll be able to try yung PC nila. Ganyan lang siya. Asrock is also here where you'll be able to try yung mga PC nila. Mga special promotion ng mga devices or yung mga peripherals nila. Fifine is also here. Peripherals para pag mag-live stream ka. Ayan. They have mics, keyboards, itong parang stream deck, and mixer. Sim 2 Premiere, sim racing din siya pero hydraulic yung chair. So it checks Keychron for keyboards. Nandito rin sila. You can buy different kinds of keyboards. Samsung, which looks like they're promoting their monitors, kagaya na itong global #1 gaming monitor. Sobrang laki. ViewSonic, I think sa kanila din tong TV na to. I think they're about to play Xbox 360 for dancing. 2, 1. Razer is also here but nothing much going on sa booth nila. FSP for power supply and then T4s for RAMs. Yeah. Holy Land, you already know what's in here. Mga mics for vlogging. They sell it at a lower price here. This one is Indie Games and they have Bummer Cook, Bangsak Water Racing. And you can try to play it. They have a lot of games here. Independent game developers. Barilan lang kayo. This side naman is lahat mga tinda-tinda. Vertical mouse from Ugreen. Ayos din pala to. Then desk pads if kailangan nyo. And a lot of toys. Parang mga merch. There's a lot of keycaps here. Spacebar. Upuan, monitor. Ganda, guys. Bags. Ayan, mas pads na naman. Almost the same. Mga stuffed toys. Mga cards. Yan, no? Mga merch. There were also a lot of indie games. Ayan, no? Mga Spirit Rancher, Agawan Base. Ayan, kung nababasa nyo. May Agawan Base dito. Sana magtuloy-tuloy ang mga yan. Yung iba sobrang ganda ng graphics you wouldn't expect. And if you happen to come across Rokid, try nyo to. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang high-tech na salamin. Sobrang daming indie games, hindi ko napapakita lahat. Pero kung ano na madaanan natin. That's me, if you can. Stirred Waters, so many games. Sobrang dami. Loophole, Hawaii. Well, that's about it kung ano meron dito sa PGDX. Now, if you happen to pass by Rokid, try their glasses. Meron sila yung pang sports na may camera. Ayan yung camera sa gitna. This one. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung camera na sa gitna. And it has audio Yan, sa mga sides. This is how it looks. So this one you can connect sa Strava app. No? It can track your workout, running, ganyan, biking, and may camera siya sa gitna. Ayan. It also has audio dito. So pwede ka makinig ng music or pwede ka makipag-intercom. This one naman is AR glasses. So medyo makapal siya. Ayan. Magkakaroon ka ng screen sa mata mo na ikaw lang makakita. Ganito yung itsura pero dahil may opaque na salamin, hindi ko nakikita yung outside world. Liban sa peripheral vision. So meron siyang beam na ganito where you can control yung nakikita mo sa screen. So everything na nasa App Store or nasa Play Store ng Android, pwede mong gamitin. So pwede rin itong gamiting pointer or mouse. So yeah, may YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, halos lahat na pwede mo i-download sa cellphone nandito na rin. Pwede kang mag-triple screen dito eh. Kung gusto mo mag-YouTube, mag-TikTok habang nag-Facebook, you can do it here. And also, you can remove ito. Now I can see my camera. So this way, makikita mo yung outside world. At the same time, there's big screens in front of you. Ayos. And they have two AI glasses na may camera. This one, camera lang siya and audio. Wala siyang screen in front of you. Pero meron pa silang isang version na ginagamit kasi ng lahat ng tao na merong screen. Kulay green nga lang. So parang black and white pero this time green siya. So this one is in Chinese. You just have to say, "Hi Rookie, take a look and translate this menu in front of me and everything will be translated for you." Gawa niya nakakonect siya sa internet sa phone mo. You'll be able to capture itong menu tapos ita-translate niya. If only I could show it to you kung how it works pero everyone is trying it. This glasses is 38,000 pesos. Sobrang lupit ng AI glasses din. Parang next level na siya. 2K, tambayan, iOS, PS5. Funtech is also here. They sell a lot of peripherals. Of course, at the cheaper price.
From the inside, MT2 catching one, good pick. A piece for MC3D.
Sali tayo. Also, Mountain Dew is here and may pakana sila na parang you have to buy and play itong parang Flappy Bird nila. Once you're done playing that, if you pass that yan, pwede kang sumali sa Valorant tournament nila. This is a 1v1 Valorant. So naka-purchase na tayo ng Mountain Dew. Dito tayo sa first game nila.
Ialan po natin, mabuo po natin yung word na Dew.
Uy, sakto.
Wow!
Sakto.
Nice, sir.
Sakto.
Na yung next po natin nasa looban.
Okay po, thank you.
Congrats po!
Thank you, ma'am. So for second game tayo guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung screen.
Lahat po ng function nito is jump lang. So kung ano po yung letter na nalabas doon, yun po yung button na pinuha.
Kalito din to ah. Thank you po. Sa third game na tayo ng Valorant guys, Saba pila.
Green buttons, hindi siya gumagana. Kaya kahit yung mga magagaling na hirapan yun. Focus ka muna.
Seven items lahat. Apat na mouse, dalawang earphones with mic, at yung isa yung red price natin. Pinagusto!
Mark, kailangan niya yan.
Wow, very aggressive. Gusto ko yan. Okay, everyone. Handa na ba kayo? 5 seconds. Kapag wala sa kami ko, tapos tinawag yung pangalan, puso tayo panibago. Malinaw. Kailangan natin na sabay-sabay. 5, 4, sabay-sabay ah. Pag hindi sabay-sabay, uwi na tayo. Okay, ready na. Okay, let's go.
Gago ako agad ha. Thank you! Thank you po! Isa tayo sa nanalo sa ngayon G3 04 ng Logitech unang-unang nabunot. Salamat po, Mountain Dew!